In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio. If you need a simple, clean place to showcase your work, Google Sites is a great free option that runs in your browser and saves automatically to your Google account. We'll walk through opening Google Sites, choosing a starting point, and customizing the template so it genuinely reflects your style and accomplishments. First, open your browser and head to Google Sites. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. You'll land on the site's home screen where you can create something new. This is your control center. Think of it as the place where you'll manage all your site's projects. If you've never used it before, don't worry. The interface is straightforward and everything updates in real time as you work. Next, add a new site or select a portfolio template. You can start from a blank canvas if you want total control, but the portfolio templates are an excellent shortcut. They come pre-structured with sections for an introduction, projects, and contact information. Click to open the template, then immediately give your site a clear name so it's easy to find later. Adjust the header image and title on the homepage to match your personal brand. Use your name or a concise tagline. If you prefer a different look, open the theme settings to switch colors and fonts. This is also a good time to decide whether you want navigation across the top or along the side. Pick whatever best suits the amount of content you plan to show. Now, edit your portfolio template to make it your own. Replace placeholder text with a short bio that highlights who you are, what you do, and the kinds of projects you want to feature. Add your best work to the projects section. Use images, short descriptions, and clear calls to action like View Case Study or See Code. You can insert buttons and link them to files in your Drive, external sites, or detailed project pages. If you need more space, create additional pages for About, Projects, Resume, or Contact, then reorder them so the most important items come first. Use the Insert panel to drag in text boxes, images, dividers, and layouts that help content read cleanly. Keep accessibility in mind by adding alt text to images and maintaining good color contrast. For consistency, stick to 1 or 2 accent colors and a readable font pairing. As you go, use the preview button to see how everything looks on desktop, tablet, and phone, and tighten spacing so sections feel balanced. That's it. The core flow is simple. Open Google Sites, choose a portfolio template, and edit until it tells your story clearly and professionally.